For a flagship like Outlander, a full model redesign is a big step and responsibility. The changes must be exciting and defining. We had to push the envelope of our robust and ingenious design philosophy, but always be true to our core values. Change begins with the proportions. Strong horizontal elements to express the more solid stance. Proportions to reflect its straightforward attitude. Slickness to capture both the power and the grace of its dynamic SUV handling and performance. This all-new model is game changer and a bold stride, not only of Outlander, but also for Mitsubishi Motors.
Change brings a new ideal to our design. The new Outlander, the design matures. It's bolder than ever, but also has a certain elegance. From the sharp, aggressive daytime running light and the dramatic flow of the side swage line to the new rear identity and inside, the horizontal theme that accentuated new roominess and upgraded quality. We've boldly embraced change with design confident that assures, inspires, and excites. The next generation front face evolves, wider and more dynamic. The feeling of protection and presence is multiplied. The deeply sculpted side reveals a core of solidity and at the same time give it a dramatic look of distinction. The new rear design is really iconic with signature, T-shaped tail light and the new sculpture hexagon motif.
Our new idea also means a choice from our original Diamond Color series. The color brightly glows with sophistication and adds depth to the striking styling. Inside the new Outlander, the change is a leap in quality. The horizontal tail amplifies the visibility, sense of solidity, and the feeling of roominess. There's more elbow and knee room than usually found in a three-row SUV. Our attention to detail and craftsman's eye have created welcoming spaciousness, filled with the quality of hospitality. This attention to detail defines Mitsubishi's solid touch in design. For example, the drive mode selector is newly designed. The size and unique form ensure a confident grip and operation. The new user interface promises a natural, intuitive, and always exciting driving experience. Advanced graphic displays, human-centric design, detailed craftsmanship, everything is designed to make driving a true pleasure.
Change comes from our unity in diversity. We are a team, co-creating across disciplines, languages, and even oceans. The synergy of ingenuity designed the new Outlander and paved the way for the next leap in Mitsubishi design.
Change at Mitsubishi Motors is all about becoming one with the world of our customers. Change is here, now, in the all-new Outlander, and more is coming from Mitsubishi design.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.
Mitsubishi Motors' expertise in award-winning SUVs and four-wheel drive technology is why we can make SUVs anyone can drive anywhere, and do it in comfort and with perfect confidence. Previous Outlanders were seen as more casual, but for the all-new Outlander, our product concept is Ifu Dodo. This means authentic and majestic in Japanese. We wanted to make an SUV with the more dignified and powerful look, and with superb reliability on any road conditions. To realize our Ifu Dodo concept, we focused on styling, driving confidence, and higher quality. Exciting styling captures its robust strength. The 20-inch wheels are a first for Mitsubishi cars, and at the top of the segment in size. The all-new Outlander is now also wider, further reinforcing its impressive presence. Driving confidence comes from safe and reliable performance anytime and anywhere. We loaded the all-new Outlander with safety features while delivering dynamic driving performance. For higher quality, we focused on the cabin space and ride experience. Interior upgrades include enhanced quality everywhere, even the feel of the steering wheel and the trim. Mitsubishi Motors' DNA is the sum of our experience and technology honed in the Dakar and WRC rally victories, and our passion for new challenges. Drivers of the all-new Outlander can experience this adventurous spirit in two major improvements. First is the development of a new platform. We focused on 3 points: a more durable body structure and higher collision safety performance without increasing weight, chassis performance with better stability under all conditions, and a higher class of ride comfort and quietness. Second is setting driving dynamics to match road conditions with the drive mode selector. Turn the dial on the console to automatically optimize control for various road conditions. There are 5 drive modes to choose from: normal, tarmac, gravel, snow, or mud. By choosing the best mode, you can enjoy safer driving and are in control on virtually all road conditions. The all-new Outlander has 7 seats, so we put a priority on driver and passenger safety. Development aimed for the highest scores in collision safety performance in each country where it will debut. We also enhanced body rigidity for more stable driving. Another key feature is My Pilot Assist. Our advanced driver assistance system monitors and controls speed, following distance, and lane keeping. The all-new Outlander is equipped with other preventive safety technology above and beyond its class. Utility is what customers expect from an SUV, so we came up with ingenious features for the cabin. The all-new Outlander is a 7-seater, unique in this class. We made it easy and convenient to reconfigure seating for your passenger and cargo needs. It offers ample seat space for first and second row passengers. Especially in legroom, it ranks among the top of its class. Cargo space is easier to use and larger than the previous Outlander. The infotainment system features a 12.3-inch digital driver display and a 9-inch navigation screen. Accessing information necessary for driving is now easier than ever. We're confident the all-new Outlander will answer your desire to explore new horizons and take on challenges of every kind.